This is Takbirat al-Ihram, and it is when we say Allahu Akbar for the first time. It means the prayer has begun and certain things become haram. It looks like the letter T for Takbirat al-Ihram. This is Qiyam, and it means standing. The letter I in Qiyam is standing straight. So remember, we stand straight in Qiyam. This is called Ruku, and it means bowing with our backs bent and our hands placed on our knees. It looks like the letter R in Ruku. This is called Sujood, and it means bowing on the floor, which means our forehead, our two palms, our two knees, and our two big toes touch the floor. It looks like the letter S in Sujood. This is called Qunut. This is where we do dua with our hands together. The letter U in Qunut looks like we are doing Qunut. This is called Julus. It means sitting down. It looks like the letter J. Quiz. Which one is Sujood? Remember S for Sujood. Yep, that's correct. Which one is Ruku? Remember R for Ruku. Very good. Which one is Takbirat al-Ihram? Remember T for Takbir. Excellent. Last one. Which one is Qiyam? Remember the letter I in Qiyam. Well done.